finally at the IMS Museum opening, and I'm excited to introduce Jason. We work well with him. He is Vice President of Curation, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the museum. But I just want to first off say thank you for the opportunity to let us work on these cool cars.
Well, I don't think the cars would ever look as good as they do without the SONAX product and your guys' help, along with our restoration team. But you know, we're finishing an 18-month renovation, $60 million complete rehaul of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum. We have an opportunity to add storytelling, hands-on interactive features, about 30,000 square feet of new display area to the current building, and obviously the artifacts and the vehicles are stars when you walk through here.
It's awesome. It's truly mind-blowing seeing what it was from what it was to what it is now. Mm-hmm. The interactive feature, everything about this, it's state of the art. It's incredible.
Yeah, I think it's an evolution. One of the greatest things that's ever happened was Carl Kaiser, the first curator, and Tony Holman started the museum in 1956, and it started as a 6-car display and grew to a 13-car display, and then this building was built in 76, but this is the next step, if you will, the next evolution of the museum for future generations to learn about the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, learn about the vehicles, learn about the drivers, and become race fans. So the first area that you walk into is Gasoline Alley. It is an evolution, historical evolution of the history of the Speedway. So we have these 7-car displays in these period correct garages. The vehicles can rotate. On the opposite side, we have display cases that correspond to those eras, and they have a variety of different artifacts in there and tell the story of IMS's 116-year history. After Gasoline Alley, we have the starting line experience, which is the first kind of experiential portion of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum. So it's a little over 6-minute presentation, really going from the cannon going off at 6 a.m. until the green flag and all the pomp and circumstances and ceremonies that come with the Indianapolis 500. So once guests exit that location, they're kind of on their own to explore the rest of the museum. We have the 2 floors of winning Indianapolis 500 vehicles that are segmented between the 2 different levels. So we'll rotate Indianapolis 500 winning cars through there, so fans will see their favorite races for the most part that we have in our collection, those vehicles on display. We added 6,000 square feet of a mezzanine that's directly above the upper level of the 500 Winners Gallery. We have the qualifying zone that is hands-on learning. So we have more of the interactivity in there. We have the dissected car. We have the rookie area that's for kids 5 and under to really start their experience at IMS. We have the pit stop challenge. We have the strategy challenge. Simulators that obviously I think are going to be huge when it comes to race fans trying to virtually qualify for the 500. We have the Innovation Workshop, which is a STEAM classroom. We look to bolster our field trips, scout troops, homeschool, younger audiences to come through here, learn about the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. We have the Penske Gallery that honors Roger and his 20 Indianapolis 500 victories, his time here at the Speedway. And that's all just the upper level. The lower level hosts a variety of temporary exhibitions. We have Best of the Best presented by Key Bank, which highlights the 4-time winners. We haven't had an opportunity to highlight Elio joining that group in 2021. We have the Feature Car Gallery, which right now honors the Brickyard 400 winners. It's the first time we've had 8 Brickyard 400 winners on display. I mentioned the extension of the Winners Gallery, and then the Track Tour Lounge down there too, where we incorporate the bus tours of the Speedway, which on days that we can't offer that, there's nothing going on at the racetrack, really incorporates that track tour on the bus to go around and see how vast the 2.5 miles of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway are in person on that bus, and stop at the legendary Yard of Bricks.
Again, this is a state-of-the-art facility, the museum. It showcases the cars in really cool ways. I've never seen it before. It's well done. I know it's a long time coming for you guys, but again, it was worth the wait, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think that as we look on the next days and months, we're really excited to welcome back race fans and guests to the museum to experience, all that work from our exhibition restoration teams and capital campaign teams to make this vision into a reality.
Well, Jason, thank you again.
Thank you.
We appreciate everything we can do with you guys and all that good stuff. Thank you.
Appreciate it.